Hi everyone, this is Debojit. Welcome to our YouTube channel Padhashali, which is a part of Star Kids Institute of Excellence. Okay, today we will discuss about money, which is a continuation of our last class, which was named at Barter system. So, if you have not watched the last class yet, I will provide you the link in the description box. Please watch the class before this lecture. Firstly, what is money? According to British economist Geoffrey Crowther, he said that anything which is acceptable as a medium of exchange, it is money. So, two things arises. What is generally acceptable and what is a medium of exchange? So, generally acceptable means two things, which is acceptable by one and all in a particular country, and which is backed up by a law of the land or legal basis. For example, in India, there are many laws and regulations are there which control the supply of money, the legality of money. So, general acceptable means these two things. And medium of exchange, which means that you can get any goods and services in return of money. Now, what are the characteristics of money? The first and the most important characteristics of money is general acceptability, that your money must be acceptable by the other person. For example, if you go to market, you buy goods and you give money to the shop owner. So, the shop owner must accept your money if it is a money. The second characteristics of money is cognizability. That is, there is no difficulty in identifying your money. For example, this is a 50 rupee note. So you can easily identify this 50 rupee note. This is another characteristics of money. The third characteristics of money is durability. The money must be durable. Suppose this is an egg. It is a perishable commodity. So the savings of egg is almost impossible because it can get rotten within 10 or 15 days. But look at the 5 rupee coin. It is not a perishable commodity. So you can save this 5 rupee note in many times. The fourth characteristics of money is homogeneity. Homogeneity. That means the money must be identical. Look at the bundle of the 10 rupee note. The 10 rupee note is almost identical with one another. The another most important characteristics of money is liquidity. It can easily convertible into goods and services. Suppose I go to market and I purchase some goods from the shop owner in return of money. So the money of mine is easily get converted into the goods which I purchased. Let's take an example to understand the liquidity of money. This is a 2000 rupee note. It is easily convertible into fruits, into clothes, into sports kit, whatever you want. So it is highly liquid. Just like money, gold and silver also have show the liquidity, but the liquidity of gold and silver is always less than the liquidity of money. Suppose you have gold and silver and you have to buy fruits in the market, but you cannot easily get the fruit using this gold and silver. So at first you have to convert this gold and silver into money, then you can buy the fruits using this money. So the liquidity of gold and silver is always less than the liquidity of money. Next, important characteristics of money is it must have transferability, such that we can transfer money in many times. For example, we can transfer the money physically by hand. We can transfer the money by card, example debit card, credit card, and nowadays we can transfer the money from bank account using the scanner. So money must be transferable. Another important characteristics of money is divisibility, so that the money should be divisible into a lower form or higher form. Let's take this example. This is a 2000 rupee note. You can divide this 2000 rupee note in 4 500s. So you convert a high amount of money into a lower form and vice versa. Now let's move to the last characteristics of money, which is stability. The money should be stable so that it does not create any problem in our daily life. It should not be a wide fluctuations. The money neither too low or nor too high. So this is a important characteristics of money. We have already learned all the characteristics of money, but there is a one point you remember, that characteristics of money, they are not substitutes to one another. They must hold all the characteristics simultaneously. So this is the end of our class. If you like the concept, please hit like, share and subscribe. And if you need this lecture slide, this is available in the description box. So kindly visit this. Thank you.